Expand your investments. Gold and REITs. Hey guys, welcome to Money Top Videos. Today, we're exploring alternative investments that can help you diversify your portfolio beyond traditional options like stocks and bonds. If you're looking to expand your investment strategy, consider exploring precious metals and real estate investment trusts REITs. Here's why they could be a smart addition. Precious metals, gold and silver. Why they matter. Gold and silver are renowned as safe haven assets, maintaining their value during economic uncertainties. Benefits: protect against inflation. Protect your purchasing power against rising prices. Stability: provide stability in turbulent markets. Diversification: offer a different investment avenue with lower connection to stocks and bonds. Accessibility: easily buy and sell, adding flexibility to your investment approach. Real estate investment trusts REITs. Why they matter. REITs let you invest in real estate without the difficulty of owning property directly. Benefits: liquidity: trade REIT shares like stocks, offering easier management compared to physical properties. Diverse portfolio: invest across various real estate sectors, residential, commercial, etc., and geographic locations. Steady income: enjoy regular dividends from REIT profits. Potential for growth: benefit from property value appreciation over time. Professional management: expert teams optimize property performance for potentially higher returns. Integrating REITs and precious metals into your investment mix can help reduce risk and potentially enhance your overall returns. Whether you're aiming for stable income, growth potential, or a hedge against inflation, these alternative investments offer valuable options aligned with diverse financial goals. Remember to conduct thorough research, align your investments with your long-term financial plan, and consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Ensures you stay updated with more tips and insights to help you grow financially. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck planning.